plus hail, up to 70 mile per hour winds, and a slight tornado risk. Rural areas will face the most damage. Flooding is also likely with this storm, mainly in small rivers and creeks. Flash flooding is not a concern.
Here is the hazardous weather outlook for open waters near New York and New Jersey. Day 1. Today and tonight. Weather hazards expected. Significant thunderstorm risk. For your safety, remain away from open waters at all times, as they are dangerous.
I'm sure you all heard of the Dead Letter Office. Well, as a souvenir of your visit, you can each help yourself to one piece of undeliverable mail.
I'll take you.
The National Weather Service has just issued a tornado warning for Passaic and eastern Sussex counties. If you are in the affected areas, tune to Channel 5 for more information. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for Passaic and eastern Sussex counties in northern New Jersey until 10:45 p.m. At 9:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 2 miles southeast of Sussex County, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This tornadic thunderstorm will be near Little Falls at 10:05 p.m., Blade at 10:15 p.m., Bloomingdale at 10:25 p.m., West Milford and Ringwood at 10:30 p.m. Other locations in the warning: West Patterson, Wantage, Lafayette, Hardisson, Sparta, Byram, Andover, Greene, and East Stillwater. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Other hazards of this thunderstorm include up to ping pong ball sized hail, up to 80 miles per hour, wind gusts and frequent cloud to ground lightning. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building, away from windows. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for further information.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for the entirety of Sussex County as well as Passaic, while the tornado warning only covers eastern Sussex and Passaic counties. Wait, what's that? We've just gotten word of a confirmed EF1 tornado touchdown near the Passaic-Sussex border, so if you're near there, please take shelter immediately. It is vital to your safety. We're expecting an emergency broadcast to interrupt this shortly.
For Passaic County. The National Weather Service has issued an update to the tornado warning issued for Passaic and eastern Sussex counties. The warning has been canceled for Sussex, though the warning will continue for Passaic. At 10:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado 2 miles south of Pompton Lakes, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you are in the towns of West Milford, Ringwood, Bloomingdale, or Warnock, take shelter on the lowest floor of a sturdy building, away from windows. Get under a workbench or another piece of sturdy furniture, and protect yourself from flying debris. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for more information on this dangerous situation.
That was a tornado warning from the National Weather Service. A tornado emergency has been issued for Passaic County, so take shelter now. And this tornado warned storm is coming dangerously close to our building.
I see a little silhouette of a man. Scaramouche, will you do the fandango? Thunderbolt and lightning, very, very frightening me. Galileo, Figaro. Magnific.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the New Jersey Emergency Management. Approximately 7 hours ago, an extremely powerful thunderstorm that produced an EF1 tornado destroyed the towns of Ringwood, Bloomingdale, Wanacue, and Pompton Lakes. This tornado went on to become an EF4 tornado but dissipated quickly near Bergen and Westchester counties. It is advised that you do not go near the affected towns at this time. A cleanup is currently taking place for Pompton Lakes, Wanacue, and other nearby towns.
Hello, and welcome to KJC Weather, bringing you all the latest weather information for your area. Brought to you by the Weather Channel, a subsidiary of KJC Networks.
Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Chester County, Delaware County, and Philadelphia County until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking a supercell thunderstorm near Lancaster, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing up to tennis ball-sized hail, 95 miles per hour, wind gusts and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. For your safety, move to a sturdy building, preferably away from windows. Stay tuned for more information.
Ooh, free foot pain analysis.
Oh, Marge, that's just a trick.
The following is a civil danger warning from the National Weather Service and the New Jersey Emergency Management. A tornadic thunderstorm that impacted northern New Jersey yesterday, as well as a supercell that impacted southeastern Pennsylvania today, brought torrential amounts of rainfall to the areas. Creeks and rivers have experienced major flooding from these storms. In the past 2 hours, several dams were breached due to excessive amounts of water. Flash flooding is expected to begin in northern New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania shortly. Residents in the affected areas should evacuate to higher ground. Repeating, evacuate to higher ground. Do not travel unless you are fleeing or under an evacuation order. Shelters are being set up at local hospitals, churches, and schools. More information on where these shelters are located are on the www.weather.gov. Check local media.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the New Jersey Emergency Management. The flood waters from the storms have cleared from the area. This is an all clear to go back to your home. However, citizens living near rivers or creeks should take the necessary precautions to protect life and property. There is still a minor flood risk for small rivers and creeks.